Dracaena marginata, also known as the Madagascar dragon tree or red-edged Dracaena, is a popular and relatively easy to care for indoor plant. Here are some simple ways to grow and care for a Dracaena marginata. 1. Selecting a plant. Choose a healthy plant with vibrant foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. 2. Light. Dracaena marginata prefers bright, indirect light. It can tolerate lower light levels, but it may not grow as vigorously. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. 3. Watering. Allow the top inch or so of the soil to dry out between waterings. Water moderately, keeping the soil evenly moist, but not soggy. Overwatering can lead to root rot. 4. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A mix formulated for houseplants works well. You can also add some perlite to improve drainage. 5. Potting. Use a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Repot the plant when it becomes root-bound or outgrows its current pot. 6. Humidity. Dracaena marginata can adapt to average indoor humidity levels, but it appreciates higher humidity. You can increase humidity by misting the plant or placing a tray of water near it. 7. Temperature. Keep the plant in a temperature range of 60-75 ff 15-24 CE. Avoid placing it in drafty or excessively cold areas. 8. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed the plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4-6 weeks. Reduce or stop fertilizing in the winter when growth slows down. 9. Pruning. Prune away any dead or yellowing leaves to maintain the plant's appearance. You can also trim the top to encourage branching and a bushier growth habit. 10. Propagation. Dracaena marginata can be propagated through stem cuttings. Cut a healthy stem below a node and place it in water or a rooting medium until roots develop. Then, plant it in a new pot. 11. Pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common indoor plant pests like spider mites and mealybugs. Wipe the leaves regularly to prevent dust buildup and discourage pests. 12. Pet safety. Dracaena marginata is toxic to pets if ingested. Keep it out of reach of cats, dogs, and other pets. 13. Troubleshooting. If the lower leaves turn yellow and drop, it might be due to overwatering or poor drainage. Some tips on the leaves can be a sign of low humidity or underwatering. If the plant becomes too leggy, prune the top to encourage new growth from the base. By following these simple guidelines and tailoring your care routine to your specific plant's needs, you can successfully grow a beautiful and thriving Dracaena marginata indoors.